If you don't want a bad thing to happen, you have to knock on wood, but you have to do like this.
Should I do it?
I do it, yeah.
Students from Leiden University come from all over the world. Food is a perfect way to connect and share. So go ahead and discover the world.
I'm Doğa. I came from Turkey and I'm 18 years old. And today I'm going to make a dish called Mücver, and it's originally Turkish food. I'm going to do it for my friends and with their help also. So I'm really excited about it. To make mücver, all you need is 2 zucchinis, some potatoes, a little bit carrots and flour, and also 2 eggs. First, we have to wash the veggies, of course, and then we're going to start by peeling these, and then we're going to use a scraper to cut them, not a knife. That's an important step. And then when we all cut the veggies, we have to use a fabric to take the extra water so that I can make the mücver more crispy. And then when the veggies are ready, we're going to use some flour and 2 eggs, and then the final step will be to fry them with some oil, and we're done. Let's start it, but I need some help, so I'm going to call my friends. Kira and Mayra, can you guys come?
Hi guys!
Okay, so today we're going to make mücver.
Perfect.
From my culture.
So excited.
It's like kind of veggie pancakes, but they are crispy, they're not soft.
Nice.
I mean, the aim is to make them crispy, but that's the hard part.
Okay.
So first we have to wash these. Yeah, and you can start by cutting these if you want. You have to make it really small. To connect with my new environment with the Hague, I look for the committees in my university, and I used to play volleyball, so I wanted to attend the volleyball team, and I did that. Also, I really care about nature, and that's why I attended also Activewear Club in my own college. So I'm happy that I'm surrounded with the people that also have the same purpose with me. I think this is more fun than cutting.
Yeah, 100%.
Now we're going to put all the cut veggies into a big bowl. This is a lot of veggies.
This is a lot of veggies, yeah. This is gonna be a healthy dish.
Ooh, yeah. Now I'm just going to put 2 eggs. I think that's enough. And then I'm going to put the flour in it. We're just mixing the eggs, stirring the eggs. Now I'm going to warm the pan up with some olive oil and then add some flour. Then I'm going to mix it again, and then I'm going to cook it, and that's all we have to do. Now, after I cook these, I have to use a towel so that I can access the extra oil, because it's a bit oily. I'm just going to use 1, maybe 2 is better. So this is the final product. This is called mücver, and I'm really excited if my friends going to like it, but I hope they will. Let's eat.
Do you cut it or how do you?
Normally you eat it with your hand.
Yeah?
But if you don't want to eat it,
Okay,
yeah, you just eat it.
That's really good.
This was my Dishcover the world. You can see my recipe below, and if you want to win an apron like I have one, you can comment your favorite dish also in the comment section.
Cheers!